Hey, Grego's here. What's the update? Update. What's going on at VZR? Well, many exciting things because Bosley is just about there. Not much left to do. Wow, as far as repairs go. So yeah, we've put a lot of time into getting stuff done. So tomorrow morning we've got to just stitch that in. That's all finished there. That's all finished there. That's all stitched in. This is all stitched in. So yeah, just the roof's got to be seam welded. That floor, that just around the perimeter of that. You can see the nice repairs. That's a base plate for a seat belt, and so that's got to have another skin over the top of that. Oh yeah, I think the owner's going to supply a section for that. But so yeah, that's exciting. That's just about done, and then you can see a couple of rotten corners that were up there. So they're getting sorted. Yeah, and look at this already. Some epoxy on yes, Miss Peaches. So all the panel, that's all of them. All the loose panels have been prepped. They've been thoroughly cleaned and sanded. There was a couple of areas that needed a little bit of repair. Some dents had to be pulled out, but they were in very good condition overall. So that was good. So that's sanded and epoxied. Once we put this stuff on, you know, it grips to the old paint and you're not going to have any fry ups or any issues. So for considering the condition of the rest of the bus, it's these were actually very straight. Oh, someone doesn't want to be on camera. Yeah, so right, well, I don't mind. Yeah, so you can tell up here how busy we've been getting all the structure solid underneath. I just had some leftover primer, so I've blown all that on there because it's an anti-corrosive primer. So yeah, so really this is just, once all that stuff's done, then you only need the outer skin on. So yeah, there's a bit of work on it, especially on the corners here. It's a bit tricky to do, but and we've still got to finish off strengthening up all this, and that's what's happening basically. So I just want to get all that welding done on the top there before doing any body work on the bottoms, because you always get sparks and shit flying from the welder dropping down on, and you don't want to start priming and everything that on the body work, and then the little molten metal spots just land on your primer, etc. So, but because these panels are all separate and loose, all good. So that's exciting. I can flip these tomorrow and do the other side of it, and tomorrow I should have all the structure side of the Miss Peaches. There's gonna be some work in here because there's nothing there. You can see the shape of the structure that you have to replicate, and that's only part of it, because yeah, it's then you've also got to have outer pieces on. There's a piece in there obviously. Yeah, and we've got to finish off that side up there. So, but if I can get the core structure pieces, because it's time consuming fabricating, yeah, all that. On this part here, I've made that solid there, but now I've got to tie this support, the roof support, into there. So I've got to bridge all that up before any sort of outer skins go ahead. So if I can get that done tomorrow, that's exciting. Andrew's planning on having Bosley welded up finished tomorrow, so that's exciting too. So yeah, and then it's Andrew can move on to putting the outer skins on that, and a few of the lower repairs as well, like your steps and your sills and stuff. They need a lot of cleaning up, and then it'll all happen pretty quickly. So next week, if everything's done and sorted and that whole bus has been, all the repairs done and straightened out and in epoxy inside and out, happy Grego. So that's what we're after, happy Grego. And happy customer, because yeah, the rust repairs have been done properly, not just bogged up. So that's exciting. It's exciting times around here at VZR. It's Friday, but it feels like Friday actually. So yeah. So I hope you're all staying safe in your isolation. We're lucky down here in the shed. No one comes to bother us. And that's good, because then they can't give us their virus. And you know, the only virus around here is the bloody computer virus. But Grego doesn't have a computer, so I don't have to worry about that either. So okay, that's enough chit chat and rambling. I will talk to you later, bye.